Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix voicemail not working on Infinix Smart 10 Plus or Smart 10 HD. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. Scroll down and click on voicemail. Click on voicemail for example, and click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After clear cache voicemail, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in settings, click on system and click on reset phone. And if you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.